Drop trying to come up. I dropped low, then I came up. I dropped low, then I came up. I went down, then I got up. Dropped it on the hump.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I wouldn't say tutorial because sometimes I don't know what I'll be doing with my hair anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna do a bun today, and I'm gonna be showing you the products I use to do my bun.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
So this is my hair. I don't know what hair type I am. I think I'm a mixture between 4C, 4A, and 4B. Because when my hair is wet, it turns out to be different textures in certain places sometimes. So to start off, I'm gonna spray my hair with water to get it nice and damp, so it's easy to work with. Oh, this is what day is this? This is day 4 or 5 in quarantine since the day I had left the house to get my cotton balls. So it's day 4 or 5. But I'm still bored. You know, lately I've been still doing homework. I mean, not really. Like I said, I procrastinate a whole lot. The homework is due, I think, tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think. It's either due tomorrow or Wednesday. And today is Sunday. So. Also, what else have I been doing? I've been catching up on TV shows. I've been watching Power lately. Power is such a good show if y'all want to watch. If y'all like drama and crime and all that stuff, you should watch Power. I mean, I'm like on season 4, so I'm kind of behind. But you know, some things have been spoiled for me. But it's okay. I'm gonna still watch it. It's really good. What else is good? Grey's Anatomy is good. I was watching that a couple of days ago. What else is good? All American is good. I've only seen episode 1 of season 2. I didn't finish the rest because I kind of got bored, but I'm gonna finish it because I don't like watching one show and then jump into another show and then jump to another show. So I'm gonna finish at least one of the shows and then switch to a different show. Ew. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna comb my hair out and detangle it. I'm gonna start at the ends and then work my way up. All the quarantine snacks have been eaten and we have no more snacks in the house. I don't know when I'm gonna get more. Hopefully soon. Like I said in my previous video, I'm always hungry. I'm always hungry. I was thinking the other day of dyeing my hair orange. I don't know if I actually want to dye my hair orange because dyeing your hair is a big change. And your hair is what people see usually sometimes first or whatever. So I don't know if I actually want to dye my hair a color. If I were to dye my hair a color, I think I would dye it orange or a dark purple. I think a dark purple would work better with my skin tone, but I kind of want orange. And also I was thinking, like, if I were to dye my hair and all my hair falls out, it'll be fine, you know? It'll be fine, because hair goes back. Hair goes back, and I have the rest of my life to, you know, grow my hair out and do stuff with my hair and whatnot. So if all my hair fall out, it's cool. I'm saying this now and what should actually do fall out and I go bald. But I've also been thinking about going bald. Not bald, but like have my hair like really short. I don't know why I've wanted to do that. I mean, I like the length my hair is at now. It's not too long and it's not like extremely short. And when I was younger, I never really liked short hair on me. Anyway, I've always been upset when my hair looked short or when the hairdresser wanted to cut my hair. But I want short hair now, which is interesting. And if I do decide to dye my hair now, like right now, like if I were to go out and get the products for my hair now, it'll be fine because I'll be in the house and I'll have my orange or dark purple hair in the house and nobody gets to see it if it was bad. I probably should go to a professional, but that's not fun. That takes the fun out of doing it on your own. When I was little, my hair was like down to my back. Like done, like yes sir. But then I got a perm and then all that came off. So what I said earlier that I think my hair is a mixture of all textures is because at the top of my hair, like up here, I think my hair is like a 4A up here. But then when we go back here, that's where I think it's the 4C. And then in the middle of my hair, like right here, I think it's a 4B. So I think my hair is just a mixture of hair textures. And up here is just, this is somewhat heat damage because when I was in the 8th grade, I had a leave out with a weave. And I kept straightening it. So this happened in the front. That's why it has a different texture from the rest of my hair. But child. The other day, I fell on my neck. Like, my boyfriend, he came over, right? And he was sitting down. And I was in between his legs, standing up. And we were like, I was pulling him. And he was pulling me. And he had let go. And I was trying to lean to the right to my bed. But I didn't. I leaned back. And I fell on my neck. Kind of like, it was a hard fall. And I'm putting in Neo Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner in my hair. But yeah, yesterday I woke up and my neck was like hurting. Oh, and also by the end of yesterday, I had like a really bad headache. It went away this morning, but I had like a really bad headache, and I don't know if I have a concussion. I probably do have a concussion, but I don't want to go to the doctor. I mean, maybe I don't know. I'll be fine. I think I just have headache. I've been having headaches lately. I think it's because I'm dehydrated. Because all I've really been drinking is soda. So maybe that's why I've been having headaches, but I might have a concussion. But my neck, like the back of my, like right here, if I press, it's like sore. So I think I might have a concussion. Maybe, I don't know. Or maybe it's just like from him grabbing my neck too much. I don't know. I don't think I have any of the symptoms of a concussion. So it really do hurt too, like my hair is falling out. I be saying my hair is falling. Sometimes I be like my hair is falling out. I'm going bald. I take care of my hair, but I don't think I do like that good of a job. Cause I try to do low manipulation to my hair, and also I try to do protective styles like my low buns, but I don't always. I feel like it's not always as protected as it could be if I were to have like box braids or something. So now that I put the leave-in conditioner all out in my hair, I'm gonna spray my hair with water one more time. Alright, now that I sprayed my hair with water, I'm gonna grab my oil and put some in my hand. I'm gonna just put it on your ends because it helps with breakage and split ends and all that good stuff. And it seals in moisture. So putting this here on my hair. and I'm gonna put some in my part and down the middle of my head, and down the back, this side, the other side. I'm gonna massage. Okay, so now that we oiled the hair up and the scalpels, I'm going to flip my head upside down, and I'm going to take my knockoff Demon brush, and I'm gonna brush my hair towards the front, like so. I'm also comb it towards the front, like so. Okay, maybe I get this side a little bit. On this side. Now I'm gonna add my Eco Styler gel to the back of my head and through the sides and the front of my head. So I really like the olive oil Eco Styler, but I much prefer the sativa oil Eco Styler better, mainly because when I use it, it doesn't really give me like, when I do low buns, it doesn't really give me like wave effect. Like it's slicked down, it's not like wavy, and it doesn't flake up on me, and I just like it way better. But that's the big jug, the big one, that thing. I'm gonna take my Annie brush. That thing costs like, if I want a lot, that thing costs like $15. And the small one I think costs 10, or maybe I'm exaggerating. It costs like 8 or something, I don't know. But I know it's very expensive, and the olive oil Eco Styler is much less expensive than the sativa oiled Eco. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a rubber band and I'm gonna grab all my hair. Grab all, wait. Brush it. I'm gonna brush it to the front. Alright, now I'm gonna grab all my hair up to the front, all of it. All of my hair. Okay, and I'm gonna wrap my hair around in it. Wow, look, I have a big head. Okay, I have a big, this is why I don't like doing buns, because I have a big head, and no, I don't like the way, usually it takes a couple processes to get the bun the way I want it to get my bun. So mainly because I probably need a tighter rubber band. So I'm gonna get a tighter rubber band. I'll be back. So I'm back with a tighter rubber band. I'm gonna put my hair upside down again. Grab all the hair follicles. All the hair follicles. Just brushing it. Okay. Grab all the hair follicles. Okay. Now wrap it into a bun. like a messy bun, but I'm gonna leave it because this is the best it's gonna get, honestly. Because my hair doesn't ever really like to cooperate. This is my bun. Not really done because I gotta do the edges. So sit up a little bit. I already have a big head. That's crazy. Well, I'm gonna take my edge booster. It's the coconut one, right? Coconut banana scented one, and oh, this costs like $10, but it works so well. And I'm gonna take my broken edge brush. I'm gonna take my broken edge brush, and I'm gonna swoop after I put all the gel on my edges. So now I'm gonna take my edge brush and I'm gonna swoop and I'm gonna swoop. Swoop. Now I'm gonna do the other side. You can't really see. I'm sorry. My hand is like in the way, but I'm gonna swoop. Swoop. And swoop. Swoop. Swoop over there. Swoop over here. Okay, so now that my edges are done, I'm gonna take my handy dandy pink scarf. I'm gonna roll it up. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna wrap my edges so that they can set and stay down for the rest of the day. Let me take this out. Alright. So now, alright. Now I'm gonna take the scarf off because I think it's had enough time to set. I'm gonna take my scarf off. And these are my edges. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah.